Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 1.4% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The euro-dollar pair dove 1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The last session saw the Aussie fall 0.3% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Qatar will bring on board Shell and ExxonMobil as partners in the second phase of the Gulf country's giant liquefied natural gas (LNG) expansion. Three sources familiar with the matter told Reuters. Australia's central bank has lifted its benchmark interest rate by less than expected, defying expectations of more aggressive action to tame high inflation. Nasdaq has plans to debut a crypto exchange for customers, but will await additional regulatory clarity and formation of laws, along with increased adoption of cryptocurrencies before doing so.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's retail sales at 0900 hours GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. Australia's exports will be released at 0 hours and 30 minutes GMT. Finland's trade balance at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's labour cash earnings at 23:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.